In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix PowerDirector app not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with your PowerDirector app, maybe the app can't open or it is too slow or keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, there are quite a number of methods we can use to fix this issue with PowerDirector video editing app. In the first method, we need to access the app info page, and you can simply do this by just long pressing on the app and then choose app info. This will open PowerDirector app info page. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, go down below and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. And you can see now the cache data is 0, and also some of the user data and app size have been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your PowerDirector app, and now your app should be working just fine. In most cases, this is enough to fix any issues with your app. But should you still experience any challenge, then again go to the app info page. This time around, tap on clear all data and then OK. For this, you'll need to go ahead and log in afresh in your account because this will log you out. However, if this method doesn't work, then head to the third method, and that is to look for the app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update, then update it to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issues that might be associated with the older version or outdated version of your app. Now, in most cases, this should be able to solve most of the issues. However, should you still find a challenge with your app, then you need to go ahead and uninstall the app all at once and then install it afresh. This is more especially if your app keeps on crashing even after doing all the other steps. At this point now, when you install your app afresh, you'll have completely removed bugs that might be associated or causing your app to crash each and every time. So by using any of these methods, now your app should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.